How's it going, rednecks? In this episode, I want to try and complete this wall here by the bed. I want to get the wall done, carpeted, and then I want to get the shelf done. And yeah, I guess before we start that, I kind of want to show you the bed. I got the top all carpeted as well as the bottom. I do not have the hinges mounted on it yet, so I have to get that done. I did a little bit of work off camera. I did a cardboard cutout of this window. All I did is I held kind of cardboard in the back, traced it out, and then cut out my piece of cardboard. We take my piece of cardboard over here, and I put it on top of my insulation. Take that, cut that out. Now, I need to take my carpet and glue it to that. And I want to put it in that window right there. So hopefully these two will look alike here in a little bit. Well, there we go. I have the window covering done, and as you've seen, this side, or the side that's going to be exposed to inside the interior, pretty well done. Unfortunately, obviously, on the other side, if I roll the window down, it's pretty crude, but you should never see that side anyways, so it really don't matter. We'll just cover that back up. And there we go. The back window is done. And that should provide a lot of insulation from not only the sunlight and heat and everything in the summer, but it'll actually hold the hot air inside the cab in the winter. So yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good, and it's no different than this one right here. Obviously I did the back window, and that one is really crude on the other side too, but once again, you'll never see it. With the window cover for the back passenger door done, I'm now going to take this bed frame, we're going to get it moved over, and I'm going to start planning the wall build. So yeah, let's get this thing moved. Well, rednecks, I have a little bit of an idea of what I'm going to do. I have a little plan drawn out, but I need to take this piece of lumber over to my brother's house. He's only 2 blocks away, and we're going to have to use his table saw. Cut this thing down. I have my dimensions right here, 61 by 20 and a half, and that will get me this piece right here. Then I want to kind of have the wall kind of come around and meet up with the pillar right there. So for today, I guess I'm going to be done, and I guess I'll have to see you guys tomorrow. Why, welcome back, rednecks. It's been a couple of days, and I got all my wood cut down, and as you can see, I have it kind of test fitted up against the side of the truck right now, and it's just pressed up against the fender inside there, and kind of running parallel this way. And if we come to the driver's side here, you can see kind of what I did with the jog with the wall. I originally was going to do a 2-piece jog, but I'm just going to stick with a 1-piece just to make it a little bit easier. So with the design figured out, what I need to do first, or what I'm going to do first, is I'm going to take some 2x4s and I'm going to cut them up so they fit between the wall and the steel of the truck. Then I'm going to take this piece of angle iron, I'm going to cut it up, drill some holes in it. I'm going to make little 90-degree braces that'll actually bolt in from here to there, and that'll support the wood. And then I'm just going to run some screws through this way, and that'll sure up this top. And then on the bottom, all I got to do is there's a factory bolt back in there, and I got a little 90-degree piece on that. That's still got to get bolted on, but when that's done, that'll hold the bottom, and for the most part, the bed should hold the wall that way. So yeah, I think that's my plan right now. I'm going to get to cutting some 2x4s, get to cutting my angle iron, and get that all figured out, and hopefully we'll have this wall brace here in no time.
What they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were one.
Boy oh boy, it's taken quite a bit of time to build this right here, and it's quite interesting to see how much of a change I had to do, considering originally I was just going to do angle iron to hold these brackets on. Then I decided to do a whole back piece because there would have been exposed steel here. The wall will go past here. I have yet to build that and carpet it. But as you can see, that is going to give me quite a bit of space. And forgot to mention, I put a cigarette lighter in here. This was stock to the vehicle. I can charge my phone, I can charge my camera and everything, and just kind of leave it in here for now. So yeah, what do you say we get to building this wall, and then we'll hopefully get to see this thing complete.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world.
Well, Rednecks, it's 1 a.m. and I'm getting ready for bed. I'm pretty freaking tired. I'm worn out. But this is what we got right now. The top's right here. I'm going to make little lids that go inside of each one, so I'll be able to have a little finger hole here. Open up these cubbies. So I'll have 3 of those, and then these 2 will get capped off on each end. As far as the screws go, I think I'm going to have to just sacrifice ease of removal for the cleanliness or a clean look, because I want to, if I ever have to service this motor, be able to remove this entire thing. And all that's going to entail is removing the 2 screws there. There's 3 here, 4 I mean, and there's 1 more there and 1 more down there. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll finish this thing up. It's the next day, and I've already gotten started by making 3 cardboard cutouts. 1 for that end cap, 1 for this end cap, and then 1 right here that will be removable so I can get to my storage. And what I plan on using is this stuff right here, the same stuff I use for my windows, because not only is it lightweight, but it's easy to work with. And it'll insulate that area, because I was actually working on this corner right here. There's quite a bit of cold air coming in right there, so it'll help insulate this kind of box off a little bit better. So yeah, how about I pop them 3 out? We'll place them on here, get them marked out and get them cut out, and then I can carpet it and finish the bed area. Well, there we go. I'm finally done with the bed area, and the covers worked out great. They're nice and light. Plus, like I said, they will help insulate some of this area back here. As far as the screw heads that are exposed, I guess it's a small sacrifice I'm going to have to pay to have this whole area removable with what I think is like 7 or 8 screws. So if I undo them 4, I believe there's 2 more down here and 2 more up front, or 3, I can't remember. But just them few screws hold this entire thing together, and I'm not going to lie, this will probably get changed. I kind of want to build shelving up here, but for right now, I want to be done with this. I want to move on to something else. I don't know if I'm going to do the kitchen or where I'm going to move on to. But yeah, looks pretty good. I like how it turned out, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work. Piece of aluminum angle, I want to make some brackets out of it to make so I can bolt these 2x4s. And that is my phone ringing. Who's interrupting me? It's my parents.